Well, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have a traditional French dessert, a clafoutis. I have to sometimes break it up into the syllables. Clafoutis. Again, I apologize to any French that I am butchering the pronunciation of that. It's traditionally made with black cherries, so that's what I'm doing today. This is a very easy dish. And like if you need to whip up a dessert real quick, you most likely have, or you should have I would say you would probably have all the ingredients. So I hope you stay tuned to watch and learn how to make the clafoutis. So here is everything you're going to need. You're going to need flour, milk, sugar, melted butter, vanilla and almond extract, salt, eggs, and cherries. And also powdered sugar to dust on the end. Obviously have your washed and dried cherries and remove your stems. You can do this by pitting them if you have a cherry pitter, or if you do not have a cherry pitter, here's a simple way to do it. You can do take a bottle. I don't recommend a plastic bottle because you're probably going to crush it. So put a glass bottle, and then you're going to push the pit out of each one using a chopstick. First, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're either going to rub butter or do like I do and spray nonstick spray in your little mini pie pans or your larger dish. And then you're going to sprinkle the sugar evenly on top of your butter or nonstick spray. I've done it both ways, both work. Then you're going to go ahead and place the cherries into each pan or your one large pan. You want to do it in a single layer. In a medium bowl, you're going to mix your eggs, your sugar, your salt, your vanilla and almond extract. You're going to go ahead and mix that together so it's nice and combined and smooth. Then you're going to add in your melted butter and your flour. And again, mix until it's nice and smooth. And then finally, you're going to add in your milk. So you have a nice creamy mixture. I like to transfer mine. If your mixing bowl doesn't have a nice pour spout, I like to transfer mine into something with a pourable spout. Definitely helps, especially if you're doing this into the individual pans. If you're doing one large one, it's not as bad, but for individual, I definitely recommend having a pour spout. Then you're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. And if you're doing one large, you're probably going to do like 35 to 40 minutes, possibly up to 45. For the smaller ones, I started at 15 and went to about 20 minutes. You just want to keep an eye on them, and you want to bake it until it's puffy and golden on the edges. Then you're going to remove it from the oven. You're going to let them cool down for about 20-30 minutes. That's definitely an important step. You can see it shrink down a little bit, like you'll see it pull from the side a little bit. And then go ahead and dust it with powdered sugar and you are ready to enjoy. See, I told you that was actually a pretty easy dessert to make, and most likely you have all the ingredients to whip something up. So I hope you enjoy this and liked that it was a quick and easy recipe. So make sure to smash the like button. And if you haven't already, also smash the subscribe and notification bell so you help support the channel, which is always greatly appreciative. I want to tell all of you how much I appreciate your support. It keeps the channel going. And also that way you don't miss any tutorials or recipes. So I hope you all have a wonderful day and give this dessert a try. And as always, live, love, eat sweets.